Hello friends and welcome to EFT with Prasen. In this particular part of our series, we are looking at one of the most crucial aspects of our life, which is money. So today we have a very interesting aspect that manifests as money in our life, or which we're going to tap and bring out that negative emotion out from our lives. Money for most of us means stress. It literally stresses us out. Having money stresses as well as having not enough, and not having money even stresses us more. So what we are going to do today is we are going to tap out the feeling that money means stress. Let's begin. If you want, you can have a sip of water before you begin, because it is said that when you are well hydrated, detoxification of beliefs as well as physical detoxification happens in a good way. So gently close your eyes and start tapping on your karate chop. Repeat after me. Even though money stresses me, I choose to release the stress and cultivate positive financial changes. Even though money stresses me out, I choose to release the stress and cultivate positive financial changes. Even though money stresses me out, I choose to release the stress and cultivate positive financial changes. Next, the eyebrow point. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Side of the eye. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Under the eye. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Next, under the nose. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Next, on the chin. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Next, the collarbone points. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Next, armpit. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Top of the head. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. Money stresses me out. As you continue to tap on the top of the head, take in 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now gently open your eyes At this stage, you can choose to have a sip of water so that all the toxins, the psychological, the mental, the emotional, as well as the physical toxins that have been released into the system get their way to flow out using water as a medium. So friends, if you see, today's EFT was a bit different because we chose to take a different path. Instead of saying I love and accept myself, we choose a different outcome, which is basically I choose to release the stress and create positive financial changes. Now, this is one part of EFT that you did. If you have some more time, you can also tap on the second part, wherein you can just start with the eyebrow point and end with the top of the head point, while just repeating, I choose to release the stress and bring about positive financial changes. And note how it actually shifts your reality towards money. Because with this, just one additional round of tapping, you will be able to release not only release a lot of stress, but also invite in a lot of money into your life by bringing about those gradual financial changes in our behavior, habit, and thought patterns. This will enable you, this particular step, this particular EFT will enable you to create more and more of the stuff that dreams are made of. So do try this out and let me know in the comment section how this EFT works for you. I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, happy money.